Food connects the world like nothing else. Each society is different from the other, yet they all connect through food. And the main link that connects us all through food is the farmer. In any society, the farmers carry the burden of fulfilling the nutritional needs of its people. The weight of this burden is often overpowering. We want you to imagine a world where self-sustainability within a community prevails, a society that takes care of its nutritional needs to a certain extent without relying wholly on the farmers. A social concept of collective backyard gardening. Under the FACT program, Estah Society extended assistance to Harohalli village and its farmers through this very concept. Estah supplied an essential kit for backyard farming and terrace gardening to each household to promote self-sustainability within the village. As a result of constant support in maintaining the gardens and training with the help of volunteers, the distributed kits turned out to be a livelihood saver at the time of crisis. Our assistance extends from preparing soil, sowing of seeds, to harvesting and sharing the produce within the village. The families in the village were able to sustain themselves and the community as a whole during the lockdown through the homegrown and chemical-free vegetables. The gardening kit consists of 11 essential items, including Estah is extending this initiative to more such villages and helping them become self-sustainable in the same way. To turn this activity into a wide movement, Estah has planned to distribute 5,000 kits in 4 states. The entire set of which per family would cost rupees 700. This small step of Estah will help the village community in producing chemical-free vegetables and sustain through it for as long as 6 months. We have already distributed 100 kits each in 4 states, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, and helped them start their own kitchen gardens.
For giving vegetables.
I'm happy to support and extend my contribution to help them in any way that I can. Good luck to this organization which is providing gardening kits to families in distress with ready to harvest vegetables.
Uta from my tota.
Uta from my tota.
Okay. Vanta from your panta.
Vanta from my panta.
Okay.
Hi friends, my name is Preeta and this is my brother Ashish. Today we are going to learn terrace gardening.
So I'm very much impressed with their concept and I'm just supporting the organization and also asking the people to support their concept to reach out to more people.
We would like to thank our volunteers and supporters who have helped us selflessly in this initiative. Come, let's join hands in this first step of community farming, a new experience for both the farmers and the consumers.
Working with our hands is not a degradation. It's our real humanity. Start a garden. Create a playground in the way you grow food. Save seeds. Cook. It was treated as a backward activity that your mother cooked and was treated as not work. But she is the reason you are sustained.
To support us, click the link below. to check out our campaign. Visit our website and Facebook page for more information.